Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to display KPIs with scorecard charts on Google Sheets. To display KPIs, as key performance indicators with scorecard charts in Google Sheets, these are the steps that you need to follow. First off, you need to organize your data. Structure your data in a tabular format with clear headers, which we have here. For KPIs, you might have columns for metric, actual, target, and status, which we have in here. I'm going to have to delete this and delete this. So now that we have this, the next thing to do is to create a scorecard table. So in a new sheet or section of your current sheet, you're going to have to create a table to summarize your KPIs. Of course, this has been created already and has been summarized. Then select your data. So you're going to have to highlight the range of cells you want to include in your scorecard chart. Then click on the insert menu at the top of the screen and click on chart from the drop down menu, and Google Sheets will automatically create your chart. So let's get that done. Let's highlight the range of data. So we have this. I'm using control to select my range of data. And okay, I'll start from my range of data, on-time delivery, and then the actual and the targets. In fact, I'm using all of them. So the next thing to do is to click on insert at the top of the screen and click on chart from the drop down menu. And now you see that Google Sheets have already automatically created my chart for me. So you can customize your scorecard chart. So in the chart editor panel, which is on the right, you can choose bullet charts, which is chart type. You can choose bar chart, as the types are commonly used for scorecard. So let's use bar chart. So that's okay. So in the chart type, which is here, choose a suitable chart type that represents KPI values effectively. So for a scorecard, the bar charts with color indicators can be effective, which we have there. So, and then in the data range, ensure your data range includes metric, value, and status. Yes, everything is in there. So my data range has not included metric. Okay, it's not there. So let's see how it's just showing the actual and it's showing the target, but it's pretty much not including the metric. Okay, so that's A1 to A4. This is B1 to B4, C1 to C4, D1 to D4. That's all about that. So of course it should include everything in here. Just don't know why it's pretty much not displaying everything. Maybe I need to change the chart to include all. Okay, that's pretty much still the same thing. Still the same feature as shown. So I can just expand this chart to see, or I can just change. So the next thing is the chart style. So adjust the color. So you can adjust the color for that. If you need the color, just go ahead and click on customize to customize this. Click on the color. So adjust the colors to represent different performance levels. So that's red for below target, yellow for near target, green for meeting or exceeding target. Anyhow you want to customize this. And then for the series, you can click on series, all right, and add series for value and targets. That's the actual and target. So add the series for that to visualize the actual versus the target performance. Okay. So you can add You can also add data labels to make your scorecard more informative. Add data labels to display actual values and targets directly on the chart. And you can adjust axes and legends. So that's it. So I'm adding my series here, and I'm adding series for target. So that's it. So the actual target. So head over to customize again, and you can now add for legends. You can add access for legends if you want to over here. And I'm just going to close the legends, and you can also do horizontal axis, vertical axis, then grid lines and ticks. Just customize it to what you want. Okay, and once you're done, that's pretty much it. Okay, so use colors and labels effectively to make KPIs easily understandable and ensure your data updates dynamically to reflect real-time KPI performance. So by following the steps, you can effectively display KPIs with scorecard charts in Google Sheets, making it easier to monitor and analyze performance. So you can drag and drop, just click on the chart and drag and drop it to wherever you want it to be on the screen. And you can also adjust the size of the chart. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.